Got your brand new Xiaomi be6500 Pro Wi-Fi 7 router. Let's walk through the easy setup process step by step. Unbox the router and plug it into a power source. Make sure to connect the power adapter securely. Connect the router to your modem using an Ethernet cable. Insert one end into the WAN port of the router and the other into the modem. Power on the router by pressing the power button. You'll see the indicator light turn on. Now, grab your phone or computer, search for the default Wi-Fi network, and connect to it. The network name and password are usually found on the bottom of the router. Open your browser and type in 192.168.31.1 to access the router's settings page. Log in using the default credentials, typically admin/admin. You can also find these on the router or in the manual. Follow the setup wizard to customize your network name and password. This is your chance to create something memorable and secure. Optional, but recommended, if you're an advanced user, explore additional features like mesh networking, security settings, and parental controls. Once you're done, save your changes and restart the router to apply the new settings. Finally, connect all your devices to the new Wi-Fi network and enjoy the power of Wi-Fi 7 speed. That's it. Your Xiaomi be6500 Pro is ready to deliver blazing fast internet throughout your home. For smart home integration and more, download the Mi Home app.